We'd like to thank Skillshare for sponsoring this video and making it possible for us to get this new drone. Before we get into our unboxing, we wanted to point out that for January of 2018, Skillshare is offering 3 months for only 99 cents. Wow.
The day has finally come. Only been wanting one of these guys for 3 years.
Yeah, this is gonna be next level. So Lou got the MAVIC Pro Platinum.
It's like a little robot.
Yeah, it's kind of scary. Whoa. That looks crazy.
Yeah.
You should say we're here on vacation with your family.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and in case you're wondering, we are in Guadalupe, which is in the Caribbean, on vacation with my family.
Yeah. It's really beautiful here. And I think it's starting to drizzle.
Yeah.
Can this go in the water?
No. God, no.
No water.
No water for you. Unboxing done. Now I read the manual. Figure out how to get drone insurance.
Guess what day it is? What? Time to fly the drone.
Everyone else is sleeping.
But we're hoping that means no one else will be outside so we can fly the drone in peace and safety. You read the manual, right?
Yeah.
This car works much better than our van.
So easy. It's like flying a spaceship.
Not sure how easy flying a spaceship would be.
You get like detail shots.
This is my last day in paradise as well.
This video was brought to you by Skillshare, an online learning community for creators with over 17,000 classes. When my brother Sean brought our new drone to Guadalupe for us, it meant I had about a week to unpack it, learn to fly, and most importantly, capture as much footage as possible. To make things harder, we also didn't have good enough Wi-Fi for streaming any tutorial videos. Luckily, Skillshare allows you to download their high-quality courses for offline use, so I had access to Greg Hung's introductory course on the DJI MAVIC, as well as Michael Yamishta's course on aerial perspectives, and the whole range of Wild Rabbit production courses on drone photography. So check out the awesome limited-time offer linked below to kick off your 2018 projects, and let us know what courses you found helpful.